Well, it happened again. I was recently at a meeting of creditors, or what we refer to as a 341 hearing, for one of my clients. While we were waiting for our case to be called, there were a couple of cases in front of us where the individuals had filed without the benefit of an attorney representing them. The trustee was questioning them about some different types of assets that they had. It was clear from the questioning that they had no clue as to where the trustee was going with his questions. It also turned out that there was several $1,000s of assets they had that weren't listed properly on their bankruptcy petition. Since the assets weren't listed properly, they weren't protected. The trustee was very accommodating, and he gave them a chance to give the paperwork straightened out and to protect the assets. After the hearings, I approached both of them and offered to assist them in protecting those assets. Unfortunately, neither of them has called me, and they will most likely end up losing that money. In the worst case, they may actually lose their discharge. If that happens, then they will never be able to discharge those debts that were listed in their bankruptcy. I was recently in court, and there was a young lady there who had filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and she was seeking to have her Chapter 7 bankruptcy dismissed. She said it was because she had talked to someone, and they said it would be better for her to deal with her creditors outside of bankruptcies, and there were programs available that she could use to do that. Unfortunately, her trustee said, no, that's not the reason. There's several $1,000s available that I can use to help pay off her debts. The court denied her motion to dismiss her case because the Chapter 7 trustee has to agree to have a case dismissed once it's filed. If she is unable to turn this money over to the trustee because she's already spent it, she could be denied her discharge, and she'll lose the benefit that she was so seeking to try and get her debts taken care of. Don't let this happen to you. Give me a call at 340-3100. We can set you up on an affordable payment plan to allow you the representation that you need to make sure that you don't have to turn over money to the trustee. Give us a call today.